Welcome to Under 5 Minutes. Here are 10 reasons to quit smoking. 1. Health benefits. Quitting smoking significantly improves your overall health and reduces the risk of various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. 2. Financial savings. Quitting smoking saves you a substantial amount of money that would otherwise be spent on cigarettes. 3. Improved physical fitness. Quitting smoking enhances your lung capacity and improves your stamina, allowing you to engage in physical activities more easily. 4. Fresh breath and smell. Quitting smoking eliminates the unpleasant odor of tobacco from your breath, clothes, and surroundings, making you smell better. 5. Younger-looking skin. Quitting smoking helps to slow down the aging process and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and skin damage caused by smoking. 6. Enhanced taste and smell. Quitting smoking restores your sense of taste and smell, allowing you to enjoy food and flavors more intensely. 7. Improved fertility. Quitting smoking increases the chances of conceiving for both men and women and improves fertility outcomes. 8. Better oral health. Quitting smoking reduces the risk of gum disease, tooth loss, and oral cancer, and improves overall oral health. 9. Protection for non-smokers. Quitting smoking eliminates the harmful effects of secondhand smoke on the health of those around you. 10. Setting a positive example. Quitting smoking inspires others, especially children and younger generations, to lead a tobacco-free lifestyle, promoting a healthier society. Don't forget, quitting smoking is easy. In the next videos, we will provide you with ways to quit smoking. If you just got to know our channel, here we try to provide you with useful information in the shortest possible time, under 5 minutes. Because time is like gold. To support us, like and subscribe, and share the videos.